Airlines posting dismal numbers, reporting major losses in the first round of financial reports since the start of the coronavirus crisis, and forecasting it won't get any better anytime soon.
No business on this planet is designed to shut down pretty much for months at a time, especially one that's as capital intensive as airlines.
Delta Airlines losing hundreds of millions in Q1, burning $100 million a day at the end of March.
The losses are not going to be a surprise. How are they managing for the second calendar quarter and looking forward to the back half of 2020?
Delta, for one, telling investors to expect revenue to drop 90% next quarter. United, out $2.1 billion over the past quarter, is now trying to raise $1 billion with a massive stock sale.
For a lot of people who are sitting at home, their big question is, when I get on the plane to go see my friends and family that I had to cancel my trip to see, are my tickets going to be exponentially more expensive than they were 6 months ago?
It's impossibly hard to predict airline pricing, even in normal circumstances. But my expectation is that if demand is soft, airlines are going to have to discount airfares, both leisure fares and business fares.
Major airlines trying to ease customer concerns about health safety, fogging cabins to disinfect, and intensifying normal cleaning procedures.
We are expanding our new practices to create a higher standard of clean, Delta Clean.
Health safety may be the new on-time performance. If an airline takes better care of us from a public health standpoint, we may be more willing to fly that airline than the airline that doesn't do it, but maybe $5 cheaper.
The one place I will tell you to be super cautious and safe is when you go through security, recognize that your shoes, your items are going into a security bin that's been used by a ton of people and is not frequently sanitized.
Experts caution demand recovery could be very slow.
There may be an immediate surge as people go to take trips to see family. After this immediate surge, including maybe some summer travel, we think it's going to be a slow trickle back. What I'm hoping is it will be a steady trickle.
And even when planes start filling up again, at least for a while, there will be a new normal.
We're going to have to expect a patchwork recovery to air travel. That may mean that routes where you perhaps could fly nonstop may require a connection. So we're all going to have to be a little bit more flexible as we start traveling again. And we're going to definitely have to be more patient.
James Packard, Newsy, Chicago.